Present indefinite tense. I go to the school. I come here. Present continuous tense. I am going to the school. I am coming in the old place. I am returning in this house. Present perfect tense. I have done the work. I have gone to the school. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been going to the school. I have been coming to the school. Parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjections. Parts of speech, noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, and interjections. Assertive sentence, subject plus verb plus object. I am a girl, you are a boy, he is a student, she is a nurse, he is a policeman. Interrogative sentence, W question plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. When did you go to? When did you come to? Declarative sentence, subject plus verb plus object. I open the door. I open to the door. I close to the window. Noun, what is noun? Noun understand the name of the things. Noun understand the name of the pictures or things. Or the persons. Subhash is a brilliant boy. Subhash, proper noun. What is noun? Noun understand the name of the persons or things. Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, materialist noun, and abstract noun. Subhash is the brilliant boy. Subhash, proper noun. The cow gives us milk. Cow, common noun. The gold is the valuable metal. Gold. Materialist noun. Collective noun, study. Collective noun, student, army. Abstract noun, all who they high. Collective noun, student, army. What is pronoun? Pronoun understand the instead of the noun. Ram is going to the school. He is going to the school. What is verb? Verb understand the working or actions. He is swimming. He is going to the school. What is adverb? Adverb understand modifying of the verb. He is walking fast. Fast adverb.